Those divine eyes that never left me. A true Sai Baba experience. Dhuni Dhwani. Sai Baba's grace. A mother's true experience. Om Sai Ram. This is Dhuni Dhwani. From Fire to Faith. Today we share the second part of My Mother's Sai Baba Experiences. A sacred story of how Sai Baba quietly entered her life and never left. Om Sai Ram. Mother, how did Baba enter your life? I cannot point to a particular time, but I can say that Baba entered my life when I was around 18 or 19 years old. In those days, I did not even know his form. There was no photograph of him in our house, and no Baba temple nearby. One day, a traveling fakir came to our street. He carried a small picture of Sai Baba. When I looked at that picture, his eyes drew me in completely. They were so calm, yet so powerful. Whenever I closed my eyes to sit quietly, I would see the sacred Dhuni and those same eyes looking straight into mine. Sometimes it even frightened me to close my eyes because I could so clearly feel his gaze, filled with compassion and strength. Later, when I saw that fakir's photograph again, I realized, yes, these are the very eyes that have been watching me all along. I asked many people why I was seeing such visions, the eyes, the fire, the presence, but no one could give me an answer. Life flowed on. Marriage, children, household duties, the endless rhythm of daily life. In that flow, I did not know that the one who watched me was Baba. Now, he is part of my every word, my every breath. But back then, I was unaware. There came a time when life's troubles became unbearable. I was so tired of worldly struggles that I even thought life was not worth living. In a moment of deep despair, I felt, what if I end it all? But then a thought arose. My children are still so young. So I went up to the terrace, lay down quietly, and tried to calm my mind. Suddenly, it felt as though a beam of blue light descended from the sky and fell directly upon me. It entered deep within like a wave of cool energy. Until that moment, I had been weak and sorrowful. But now I felt a strange courage rising inside me. A thought came, why am I thinking like this? Why shouldn't I live in a way that is useful, meaningful? Another feeling followed, I don't need to be afraid of anything. At that very instant, I heard a voice within me say, yes, that is what is meant to happen. After that experience, many of my life's problems began to find their own solutions. I was by nature gentle and soft-hearted, but from that moment onwards, a kind of unshakable courage entered my being. When I wondered how this change had come, someone gave me a book, Sai Satcharitra. As I began to read it, I felt as though someone was whispering softly near my ear. Not this page, read that one. And I could hear explanations of things beyond what was written in the book. Then when I looked again at Baba's picture on the cover, I knew without doubt these were the same eyes that had been watching me since my youth. That was how Baba entered my life. Quietly, lovingly, completely. He came not with thunder or command, but with eyes that carried peace and a light that gave courage. From that day, I was never alone again. You've been listening to Dhuni Dhwani, From Fire to Faith. May Sai Baba's grace light the lamp of courage in your heart. Om Sai Ram.